Good morning, folks. I'm going to set a timer here for 30 minutes. Hey Siri, set a timer for 30 minutes.
30 minutes starting now.
Okay, wasn't on my computer, but phone heard me. And I'm going to work on a feature for Converse. I'm going to get in the habit of recording more work streams here. I just started in mid-November, actually late November, and I'll be out on paternity leave here for a while. But I wanted to start some streaming stuff. So anyway, what I'm working on is a refactor. In general, we can kind of take a peek at the work real quick. Preview pull request. It's pretty big, but basically I've taken this group link screen, which is how you join. That's not it. Group join screen. Don't even know what I'm working on. Where is it? Can't find the old screen. There we go. No, it's group link still. Now I'm confused. What have I been working on? Anyway, I've been dependencies, feature screens. There we go. So I've been working on refactoring this this screen here. Make it pretty small so we can see it all. To use a more intentional architecture where our business logic is contained outside of React, and some of our dependencies are more controlled, and that involved pulling things out into a state machine, which is this guy, group join group machine. That is this state machine. Looks complicated, is decently complicated, and in fact I'm having some trouble running this in the app. It's failing to accept a group invite, so I'm going to struggle through and do some recording and be working on this, and eventually, hopefully, I will become somewhat proficient in okay, so it added things twice. That's a little annoying. I somewhat proficient in working on this. Dang it, cursor. Anyway, okay, so that's what I'm working on. There's some context. Where did it add these entry actions? Let's see. Hold on. I'm just getting started this morning, so I have no idea what's going on. This entry, so we need to, I'm going to go into cursor because this will, this theme. Let's see, color theme. Okay, dim looked great. Okay, so we've got a couple entries here. Oops. And I still haven't gotten my don't need that. All my keystrokes set up properly. So I fully expect this to be a boring stream, but I'm gonna get in the habit of recording myself working. Entry exit. Okay. So really wish you would stop Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna close this. That stays open. These get closed. Join group. Let's see. Converse app. I'm a little weird, so sometimes I start working on inspect. I'm gonna close this for now. I work in WebStorm and Cursor. So what I'm going to try and do here is spin up a couple simulators, which I think are the 16 Pro Max and the 16 Pro. Yep, there's one. And then open simulator, I think 16 Pro. As a rule of thumb, generally let every app see your location all the time. That's my policy. Okay, we should see these two guys. I'll start another one. We're gonna yarn. Let me just yarn again. Make sure everything's good, and then I'm just gonna feel better if I do this. I'm going to make sure we're starting with a clean slate. I'll do the 16 Pro Max first. 16 Pro, uninstall. Okay. And let's see. I wanted to do something here. Const simple machine equals create machine ID. Simple machine. Let's see, create machine ID, context, some stuff. Okay, and then I wanted to create an actor. Actor equals use actor. And simple machine, and I wanted to inspect, create sky inspector. And this is where I don't think it's gonna work. Client side node. Call inspect? I don't think so. Actor, and then that starts the actor, I believe. So we'll just actor. That's state, I believe. Use actor gives you state send. I just want to check one thing, if my setup was wrong or if this was wrong. Build failed. Why did build fail? Sandbox is not in sync. Pod install. Okay. A full stream involves all of the boring stuff, so I'm going to keep that there. Let's see. Yep. Build it there. And can I build it for my other target as well? Replace. Don't want to replace. 16 Pro Max should get it. Okay. Docker should be started. I'm actually gonna wipe this. Okay, and so I've got a backend DB. in. Put this stuff on another. That's not what I want. Can I not move myself once I'm up here? I guess not. Okay, another desktop. And then put this up here. Back end. Back end, back end, back end, back end. Am I still recording? It's not super clear because it goes away on the screen, but Docker compose up. And yarn dev. Nope, that's not fun. Let's see. Error originated either by throwing data, find many implications, data grace. Okay. Yarn Prisma. Migrate dev. Cool. Cool. Okay. Okay, great. So there's Pro Max, here's Pro. Instance is already running, don't really care. I'll run this by myself. Okay, and at this point I can go ahead and start. The Metro Bundle. I kind of expect this to not work. At least something to break with the actor. So the reason I got two devices up here is so I can create It's kind of cool. We can see all of our logs here. So then I can change this guy's name to okay. Now I've got ZZZ set up here. I could figure out, well, I thought deleting the Docker database would fix that. I don't know who I'm talking to or what backend I'm talking to. But I've got ZZZ and XXX. Or I'll go ZZZ and YYY. Connect ephemeral, create ephemeral. And Pro will be the Pro Max is going to do all the complicated work, so. Create. Accept. Allow. Continue. Got primary UNS address. Black Mountain's kind of sick. Modify. Why? Okay, so we got this set up. Now we're going to actually create another identity here. Pennsylvania summer. Beautiful. Okay. Modify this to be. Can we do XXX? No. What's before that? QRSTVWX. www.conference.xyz. That's gonna not be good. TVW. VVV. This is gonna get confusing. Okay. So I've got. I just need to change all these, sorry. Why? That's gonna bug me. Okay, and then Pennsylvania summer. VVVV, go back. I should have called these Allison Bomb. Anyway. Okay, we gotta modify this so we see this. ZZZ. Perfect. Okay. So we got ZZZZ that's gonna be receiving these group invites. Or the invite's gonna be created and I'm gonna copy it over. I don't have to deep link necessarily, I just need to figure out how this works. So we're gonna create a new thing and we're gonna say, who are we? Over here. We have ZZZZ, so we can invite ZZZZ. Or no, we'll invite Y. Fuck. Y's and V's. Okay, so chat. Event doesn't exist. Well, that's not supposed to happen. That's why that shim is there. Oh, probably because I did that there. Okay, so I need to go. And then if loaded shims. Okay, try that again. That was my bad on oopsies. A crash? Okay. Get out of here, don't want that. If this doesn't work, then that's fine. I'm going to remove the stately sky stuff. I wanted the sky inspector to work, but if it doesn't, that's okay. Okay. Well, we're not going to worry about this. We're not going to worry about this. We're not going to worry about this. And then we're going to go into join group screen. And we're just going to debug this manually. And inspect. Yep. Okay. Now this should work. This guy needs to be, something needs to happen. Needs a little bit of Jesus in his life. Sick. Error bad request 404. Okay, what's going on here? Error loading group invite. So 404 API group invite base URL localhost 9875. Don't know much about anything, but ping localhost 9875. Come here, chat. Hello, me again. Okay, new set. What? Okay, that's what we did. Thank you. Oh, run. Don't mind if I do. 404 not found. Here, invite link not found. Oh, the invite link wasn't. 404 is weird there. Yeah, 400 would be weird. Okay. Let's create a new invite. We need to get this up and running though. Need to reinstall this, I think. On 16 Pro? 16 Pro. How much time is left in that timer, huh? Don't know. 3 minutes. Okay. Fair enough. Get a couple of these before I walk the dog. Let's completely uninstall and try again. Just growing pains for me. As with any new application, there's going to be some difficulty. Try a different device. Okay, so 16 Pro, 16 Plus. There we go. I just had to restart it. Okay. Okay, I did blow them all up. Ooh, Iowa. Can I change this name at least to Alice? Okay. Now I'm going to create a new conversation with a new group with Y. So that I can hit next and create. And then I can click here and create invite link. Group invite, that. Now if what do I need in my screen here? I need input is group invite ID, which is that looking thing, but it usually comes from group invite ID. Group invite ID. Probably. Looks about right. Okay, that's the 30-minute timer. In the next video, I'm going to continue with this group invite ID and try and run it in my thing and try and come up with better workflows and get this stuff working. Good day.